Welcome to Heartland Family Adventures. Today we invite you to join us at Via Napoli, our family's favorite place to get pizza when we're at Disney World. Via Napoli is located inside the Italy World Showcase Pavilion at Epcot, and it's known for its fresh ingredients, authentic Italian recipes, and thin-crust Neapolitan pizzas that are cooked in wood-burning ovens, appropriately named after the three active volcanoes in Italy, Mount Etna, Mount Vesuvius, and Stromboli. This restaurant is open for lunch and dinner, and dining reservations are highly recommended. If you're new to our channel, thanks for joining us today. If you like what you see, we welcome you to come and visit our channel and subscribe for more content like this. Subscribing is completely free to you and helps support our channel. We hope you enjoy coming along with us today.
Orange Bird, what do you think of Italy?
He loves Italy.
Lady and the Tramp. There's two Italia restaurants, but we're going to Via Napoli.
Via Napoli has a nice variety of options on their menu, including appetizers, salads, pastas, entrees, and their signature pizzas. Appetizers include calamari, a charcuterie sampler of meats and cheeses, and mozzarella caprese. They also offer both a Caesar and a house salad, as well as pastas including tortellini, ravioli, and spaghetti. Entrees include the bronzino Mediterranean sea bass, the chicken parmesan, and beef filet medallions, as well as additional sides including green beans or fingerling potatoes. Their specialty pizzas include a 4-cheese pizza, white pizza with artichokes, a prosciutto pizza with cantaloupe, and the picante pizza with Italian spicy sausage. They also have a classic Margarita Pizza with mozzarella and basil. Pizza sizes include the large half-meter mezzo metro, the 20-inch large, and the 10-inch individual-sized pizza. Dessert options include the panna cotta, the cannoli, the torta di nonna cake, tiramisu, berry cheesecake, and gelato. Kids' menu options include the cheese pizza, chicken tenders, and spaghetti, as well as bombolone Italian donuts and gelato for the kids' desserts. Peach Bellini. I'm pretty sure I got this the last time I was here, but when it's anything that says peach puree and it's just like, yes, please. Yeah, it's really good. It kind of reminds me of like a brunch kind of a drink, you know?
Yeah, seems like that kind of thing.
A Bellini, you know, because it's sparkling wine, but it's got that peach puree in it, and it just sounded like really refreshing. We're here midday, you know, for our lunch reservation, so it just sounded really good. It's really nice.
All right, so Henry got the kids' spaghetti. So it comes with the meatballs, but he's not big on meatballs, so we asked to just leave them off. Let's see how you like it, buddy.
Is it wonderful?
His immediate reaction.
Oh.
He loves the spaghetti.
He loves spaghetti. That's always a hit.
Now he's taking some big old bites, aren't you, bud?
Good eater.
Yeah, he loves it.
Our pizzas have arrived. This is the Margarita Pizza. These are the individual size, but they're still very large, you know, good sized pizzas. And then this is, Dave, what you got here?
Quattro formaggi.
Quattro formaggi.
Let's get a white pizza.
White pizza.
So it's mozzarella, parmesan, fontina, and provolone.
Provolone. Nice.
It's kind of a different kind of cheese pizza. More adult cheese pizza.
Yeah. White cheese pizza.
I always like.
It's not going to have not a red sauce.
Right, so it's not a red sauce.
Yeah. Very cheesy.
It's very cheesy. I just like that kind of that blend of cheeses. Really, their crust here is amazing.
Oh yeah, I love their crust here.
Yep. I like it.
You haven't tried this one before, right? So yeah.
No, I always like the style of pizza, but
Yeah.
this is I want to do something different here.
Yeah.
I think it goes really well with that kind of the crust that they have in the wood fire oven.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
That's awesome. How are you liking yours, Emma? You want to try it? Try a bite? So Emma got the kids meal pizza. And it's just same exact thing, just smaller. And hers is just peas. Oh. Hers is just cheese. Tell us about it. What do you think?
It's really has a lot of cheese
Uh-huh.
and a perfect amount of sauce.
Yeah, and you put some extra fresh grated Parmesan on there, didn't you?
Yeah, what I do is I get half of the pizza with Parmesan and half of the pizza with none.
How you doing, Dave?
Good. You got to make it into like kind of full this kind of pizza.
Yeah, it's a good folding pizza. To tell us how you eat your pizza. Henry?
Good.
Yes, how you like your spaghetti? Is it yummy? Is it your favorite kind of spaghetti? Yes. Oh, we lost him. Oh no, he's going under. Oh dear. How you doing, Emma? She loves it. This is her favorite. She loves pizza. This is good pizza. All right, so I got the Margarita Pizza, and I wanted to share a little bit about the pizza that they have here and how it's unique. They follow a very similar style to what you can find in Naples, Italy, and so they said they actually use Caputo flour, imported from Naples, the San Marzano tomatoes, handmade fior di latte mozzarella, water from the wells identical to water found in Naples, to make the pizza as authentic and delicious as it's found on the streets of Naples. So they really try to make it feel like an authentic experience, as if you were in Naples. Since we're here in the Italy Pavilion, that just tells you the care and attention that the chefs and the owner have put into the ingredients to make these pizzas as feel as authentic as if you were in Italy. So I think that's a big reason probably why we love this pizza so much. So I'm gonna dig in. I'm also a fold your pizza kind of style girl. So we get in here. So good. Man, it's all about that crust. That crust is excellent. You can see how charred it is on the bottom. They cook it for just such a short amount of time. It doesn't have a lot of sauce, but the sauce is really good flavor. And good amount of cheese, but it's got that nice charred cheese on top because it's cooked so hot. And then just, a little bit of basil, a little bit of Parmesan. I like it. I like it just simple like that. That's excellent. That's so good. I did some pizza trading. Wanted to try each other's. That's the nice thing about getting individual pizzas. You can try to trade with each other and see what you like the best.
See, I always like the margarita.
Yeah, margarita's my favorite, but Dave wanted to try something new. So see what you think. Going back with the old classic.
It's really good too.
No. If you had to choose, which would you pick as your favorite?
Probably the margarita. Well, they're both. I mean, they're just very different.
Yeah. They also have a spicy Italian sausage. They also have a melon one, which with prosciutto, that sounds very interesting as well.
I don't know about
I'd be
that
curious to try
I'd
it.
like to try it. I wouldn't want to order a whole pizza.
Yeah, it'd be a nice one to share with a group of people. Yeah.
But these are probably my two favorites.
Yeah. How are you guys doing? You're loving this place. Oh my goodness, Emma, you are almost finished. Oh my goodness. You're doing great.
It's kind of, that basil, it really reminds me, it's kind of like a caprese, but in a pizza. Like,
Yeah.
gives you that sauce flavor with it.
Yeah, it's the freshness, the fresh ingredients. That's where I think the quality of this pizza comes from. It's the fresh ingredients. You can really tell the difference. Very, very good. All right, I'm gonna try the white pizza. All right, trying the white pizza. Let's see what you think of this one.
I don't know. It might be more my kind of thing.
Cheesy, huh? Oh, it's good though. Okay. I get it. So this one is all about bunch of different kinds of cheeses on it. And plus it's, no red sauce. So this one's all about the cheese. So if you're a cheese lover, this one you get that nice rich bite of cheese. So this one is excellent, and you get a little bit of greasiness as well.
Yeah.
But I think that comes with that much cheese versus the mozzarella, where it's kind of the mozzarella and the red sauce on the margarita. No, it's really good though. Like this one, it kind of reminds me of like, when you get fried cheese from Greece, like kind of like that. Like it just
I get
like
that.
That's kind of what it reminds me of, but also with the amazing crust on the bottom. So that's actually really good. But just if you love cheese, this might be the pizza for you, the white pizza.
Yep. Good.
All right, we wrapped up our meal at Via Napoli. Thank you so much for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed. Feel free to let us know in the comments below if you've ever eaten here, and where your favorite place to get pizza at Disney World is. This is officially our favorite place to get pizza at Disney World.
Yes, I agree.
And this is now our second time coming here, and I think it just sealed the deal. Like this was consistently as good as the last time we were here. We tried some different things that we didn't get the last time. Tried some different kind of pizza. The kids' meals were excellent. The kids loved their food. It's overall just a winner. Just you can just tell the quality of the ingredients here. This place is always packed, and that tells you something too, that it's very popular. It's a difficult dining reservation to get, very popular, and that's for a reason, because they make some really, really good pizza here. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. That really helps us out. And subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed. We do a lot of dining reviews. We've made it around to quite a few restaurants here at Epcot and at Disney World in general. So we hope you enjoy this content, and hope that you have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.